Alright guys, it's looking pretty good, so I'm going to add everything else. And by the way, this is called, when you add flour to some drippings, that's called making a roux, which is like your base for gravy, basically, is what it is. So, we're going to add a half of a cup of beef broth, half a cup of beef broth, okay? Then you're going to take the rest of your evaporated milk you had, and you're going to add that to it too. The rest of that can's going to go in there. Yum, yum, yum. I can smell it. It smells so good. So I'm just going to pour that all in there. It's almost there. Okay. I think we just about got it. Okay. And then you're going to add a third of a cup of water. And that's it. We're just going to whisk it together. Let it cook so it kind of gets a little bit thicker. And this will be your gravy for your country fried steaks. It usually has to cook about, maybe about 10 minutes. You can tell because it'll start getting a little bit thicker. You don't have to whisk it the whole time, but you want to whisk it when you first do it. And then kind of keep an eye on it. Whisk it every maybe minute or so until it gets a little bit thicker. And then once it's thick enough, you just put your country fried steaks onto a plate. Put some gravy on it. Make some mashed potatoes. Put some gravy on that, and maybe a vegetable, and you got a nice dinner. Looking pretty good. So we're going to let this cook for a little bit. Okay, we're going to let that cook up a little bit, and then I'll show you what it looks like on the steaks.